I'm Kayla.
And I'm Cameron.
And today we've come to Jinan's old district, and we're going to dress up in some traditional costumes.
We're going to be visiting Baotu Springs.
他们的泉水呢，在这汩汩流淌，已经有3000多年了。
And what's interesting about these springs is that they're constantly flowing year-round. So even in the dead of winter, everything will be covered in snow, but the springs will not be frozen. It will still be fresh water.
It maintains a temperature of 18 degrees Celsius, so carps actually live in the springs year-round, even during the winter. Oh my gosh, look at these, they're so cute. It's really good. This would be such a nice treat.
Right, so this is Liqingzhao, who is one of the most famous women in Chinese history. Tu Dawang Cha. It is tea in a big bowl, very traditionally served. And you can see the bowls have traditional design, like bong in this one. And it is a jasmine tea brewed from the spring water here at Baotu Springs.
Now we're at the Shandong Handmade Art and Exhibition Center, and we're here to experience a lot of handmade crafts from around the Shandong province.
揉捏一下，把气泡挤出来。
This is China's national treasure, the panda. I love pandas. So tonight for dinner, we are having Chinese barbecue. You can taste the smokiness on them, and they're perfectly seasoned. The snail has a good texture. It's not too chewy, so.
You use the toothpick and pull it out.
It's really good.
These are roasted green peppers.
With a ton of garlic. Savory, garlicky, super good. These are steamed and stir-fried clams.
It's a sesame and peanut and hemp sauce.
And anytime you're eating barbecue in China, the cucumber is always cold and goes perfectly with all of the barbecued foods.